Hey guys, Fix100 here, and today I'm going to show you how to use external libraries in your .NET C# application. So external libraries are useful because for a couple of reasons. One, it might have been written by someone else, and so they might have figured out some code that you weren't able to and are letting you use it, whether it's free or for a price or whatever. Someone might be letting you use a file that they compiled that they're allowing you to reference in your project. Another reason is it allows for easier updating sometimes with a bigger project if you have it split into multiple parts, because then you could, if there's a bug in one of the libraries that you're referencing, if all those libraries were incorporated into a singular executable file, then you would have to replace that whole file, where if the bug is in just one file, one library, you can just switch out that one smaller file and it's a lot quicker. So let's create a new project. Once it loads, Windows Forms Application .NET Framework. Call it whatever you want, and then create. And by the way, I'm not going to be putting this one on the GitHub because I'm not actually going to be doing code. I'm just showing you how to use an external library, because once you import it, it's just like if the classes were in here. So there are two methods I'm going to show you. The first one is importing a DLL that you already have on your computer. And I'm going to use a DLL that I wrote to demonstrate that. The second one is going to be importing a DLL from Nuget, which I demonstrated Nuget in my programming resource video that was uploaded on Wednesday. Link to that will be in the description if you don't know what Nuget is. So to import a file from your computer, you want to right click, go to add reference. This pops up, and I already have it twice because the one path is invalid now. But so I could just click that. But I'm going to click browse because you guys are going to have to browse. And then you select the folder, hit add, and since it was already listed, it just checked the box. And then hit OK. And then as you can see over here, it says advanced color, because that's the library that I made that I'm using. The way you import a file from Nuget is you could download it from the website and then use the method that I just showed you, or you can right click and hit manage Nuget packages, which opens this up. You want to click browse, and then I'm just going to use newtonsoft.json because it's quick and simple, and then install. And it shows you that it's trying to install, and it says successfully installed and finished. There we go. And so now if we go to install, it is shown there. And if anything needs updated, there's a third updates tab, but nothing needs updated because I just installed this, so it should be the latest thing. And so now the way you use it is I'm going to open up the code for this window, and then you need to import whatever the namespace is. So if you don't know what a namespace is it says here external libs. So this form1 is a class, and you can think of a namespace kind of like a folder. So it's in the namespace external libs. And so any of the classes that are in the same namespace can easily reference each other. If you're trying to reference a class that's in a different namespace, then the way you reference it is either by typing namespace, not the word namespace, but whatever their namespace is, dot whatever the class is called. Or you can import, or you can use this using keyword and then type the namespace. So there we go. Using advanced color. And now that I do that, I can say color, which is this is the advanced color, not the other color. C equals new color. Oh, I'm getting an error. What's the error? Ambiguous reference. I knew that was gonna happen, so I'm gonna say that. I'm actually gonna put a U there, and then a U there, and then a U there. And I don't think I need this. And so there. The reason why I had to say color instead of color is because Windows already has a color. But I don't like that color. But everything uses it. So I have built in here, so I said using color as advanced color.color. And then I have methods built into my advanced color that actually converts it to a standard Windows color. So we can also do using newtonsoft.json, and it's been a while since I did this. I don't know what any of these things do anymore, but you can see that as here it says newtonsoft.json.json constructor attribute. So all these are from the Newtonsoft JSON library, which I will go over eventually how to use this to actually read and parse JSON files, which that can be useful for configs and settings and stuff for saving them in a file form. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like and subscribe. Links are down in the description. Till next time, bye.